Jurors in New York are weighing testimony from Stormy Daniels in former President Trump's criminal hush money trial. The adult film actress spent hours under oath today talking about her alleged sexual encounter with Trump in 2006. Renee Cooper breaks down key moments from court.
The jury in former President Donald Trump's criminal trial focused on adult film actress Stormy Daniels today. They were listening closely and taking notes during her testimony in the case. Daniels described in detail her first ever encounter with Trump back in 2006, saying they met at a celebrity golf outing in California and he invited her to dinner and up to his hotel suite. Daniels even told jurors about the size of the hotel room, what it looked like, and the pajamas Trump was wearing. Then described their roughly 2-hour conversation, saying Trump suggested she appear on his show, The Apprentice, and then she says they had sex. As Daniels got into intimate details about that alleged sexual encounter, Trump was seen repeatedly tapping his defense attorney's arm, signaling for her to object, which she did multiple times. The judge at one point said the, quote, degree of detail is just unnecessary.
This is all building up into, again, forming this idea, look, she was there, this did happen, and thus eventually we'll talk about the money.
Prosecutors say Trump's former lawyer Michael Cohen wired $130,000 to Daniels just days ahead of the 2016 election in exchange for her silence. Daniels reviewed that contract in court and confirmed she did in fact sign it. When asked by prosecutors why she didn't ask for more money, she said, quote, my motivation wasn't money, it was to get the story out. When Trump repaid Cohen in 2017, prosecutors allege Trump illegally characterized it as a legal expense to hide the payment from voters, later charging him with falsifying business records. Trump has pleaded not guilty and has denied that encounter with Daniels.
The legal expense that we paid was put down as legal expense.
The defense calling for a mistrial over her testimony, but the judge denied the motion. Trump's defense says he was trying to protect his family, not his campaign. But Daniels told the jury he never expressed any worry about his wife finding out. Renee Cooper, 5 Eyewitness News.
No court tomorrow. Court will resume Thursday in New York City. Count on us for continuing coverage of the trial here on air and at KSTP.com and the KSTP app. Now, meanwhile, the judge overseeing Trump's separate classified documents case has postponed that trial indefinitely. Today, she said disagreements about how information is used during the trial must be settled before it can move forward.